Alright guys, we are back for something I'm really excited for. Ever since I got the speed run bug with the Vendetta, now the infraction, I've been wanting to chase the speed, and this was the eventual next step. I've already broke 100 miles an hour with the Vendetta. The infraction is 90 plus on 8S. This is going to be a 150 mile an hour project. So we're going to open it, take a look at what we got, take a look at some of the electronics I'll be running, and in this video will be the unboxing, painted, and then first runs on the system. So stay tuned. I'm excited about this one. Alright, let's get this bad boy open. There you have it, the rattle can body. Oh, that's going to be fun. I've got some paint ideas. I'm admittedly not very good at painting, but we'll try to come up with something cool, something simple. Let's get it out of that cardboard and take a closer look. Alright, take the body off and look at what you get, and it's not much. You gotta get all your own electronics. Does come with a 39-2 spool, not a slipper clutch, so that's where your starting point is. So as far as what we're going to be running this on, got Castle 2028 1700 kV and Mamba XLX2 and Perfect Pass Servo. For the time being, I want to run this thing on the Radiolink, the RC6. I'll probably upgrade that in the future, but as for now, it's something I have already ready to go, so we'll just use that for the time being, get it dialed in. Obviously, we want to run it on 6S to get it sorted out, then we'll move up to 8S, but the goal will be 150 plus out of this car. Man, I'm really looking forward to getting into this. Ever since I got first on-road car, the Vendetta, the speed running stuff has been so much fun. Finally broke 100. That was the goal in the Vendetta, but now it's time to set our sights a little higher. Hopefully we can get it done with this car. So let's go ahead and start building this thing. All right, got the XLX2 out. Got a SQ8 connector soldered in, or sorry, QS8 connector soldered in. It's going to should fit nicely right in there. Also too, get this from Power Hobby. It's a switch plate that mounts underneath the fan here, so you can mount up the power switch to it, so you don't have to try to rig it to fit somewhere. Just mount right to that plate. So head on over to Power Hobby, get yourself one of these if you're building your next rig with a XLX2. That'll work. Alright, let's get this set in here. Let's open the motor and let's make some progress. Alright guys, moving on. Got the XLX2 set there. It's not mounted yet. Coming up with a mounting system for that. Got this Castle 2028 1700 kV. It's going in it. This thing is heavy. Yeah, that's a big motor. That's I'll set right there. Now with this, you will have to get the bigger plate for 56 millimeter can. That's your part number there. So that'll fit there, slide into there, and yeah, that That should work. Should be maybe very close, but should fit there no problem. Alright, we'll get this set in there. Oh, this thing's gonna be so much fun to drive. Also too, got these springs from Perfect Pass. We'll be installing on this before we run it. So in that's all the hardware going into this thing. Everything else is going to be out of the box to have the Perfect Pass servo also go into it. But start putting all the pieces of this puzzle together. Alright guys, got the motor set in there, and I can tell you, you are not going to get anything bigger in the Limitless than this. This thing's just massive, and I have a 39 tooth pinion on there. I was going to run something smaller just to get this thing dialed in, but the smaller pinion I had actually wouldn't connect with the spool there, so I had to run this 39, which is actually going to make it a 1-to-1 gear ratio. Yeah, so whatever is going to happen with that, we'll just take it real easy. First couple of passes, get this thing kind of set up, and yeah, so now we're going to move on to installing this Perfect Pass servo. Alright, this over here. Some of your horn, servo horn pieces. And there it is. That's a nice piece of hardware right there. We'll get this mounted up and then move on to setting the speed controller. Alright, got the Perfect Pass servo in there. Sit there looking all nice and shiny. Alright, now we're going to put the Perfect Pass springs on here and see how kind of easy this thing squats. I'm going to eliminate that with those springs, so let's get those put on. Alright, that's the one of the inevitable steps with building a Limitless is you got to paint the body, and the unfortunate thing for me is I'm not a very good painter. I do have a couple ideas of mine. Probably going to go with, well, not probably, going to go with the candy purple and fluorescent green, combination of the two somehow. Probably the majority of it's going to be candy purple. Like I said, I'm not a good painter, but look forward to attempting it. I'm sure it's going to come out better in my head than in real life, but you know, it is what it is. It'll just be fun. Maybe it'll look good. Maybe do some green. I don't know. We'll get it painted and just move on. Alright guys, it lives. Everything's working. Set the endpoints. We got power. Gotta get the body together. Let's go this thing out. Get the first couple test drives. See what we can get. But very excited to finally get to this point. Do some cable management, clean this up, and get the body put together, and go run this thing finally. Alright guys, there it is. Finished. Well, kind of finished. Paint came out okay. I like the purple. The green kind of didn't come out like I wanted it to. But we're out here, not a very big spot, so we're just gonna see if it goes straight, and you know, nothing too crazy. Just make sure this thing actually runs the way it's supposed to. So we do have the GPS on it already. We're gonna go ahead and start. See what we get. You can hold that. All right.
Body rub.
No, it's not doing anything.
What?
Pulls a lot to one side.
Yeah, that tire.
All right, Had an issue with the pinion, but let's see if it'll go now. Oh, it's in the water.
Oh! Don't turn with it, does it?
Nope. Definitely working on steering trim.
Yeah. Well, also your alignment. I mean, that is.
Well, let's see what it did. I'm going to say 45. $62. Didn't seem like 62.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, well, maybe a little more run down there back and see what happens. Start. Must have been crashes.
What?
That's the way it gets crashed.
Well, it just went dark. You still recording?
Yep. That was sketchy.
Mm-hmm.
We have a much bigger spot to run. Alright, stop. 779 with like not even half throttle.
Yeah, not even half throttle and 6S power and yeah.
Alright, well, that's that. A lot of work to be done on this thing. It's
a handful.
It's a handful and doesn't drive straight.
Well, I mean,
alright guys, before I wrap this video up, I wanted to come out here and get a little better run than where we're at. Just gonna go out here, take it kind of easy, see what kind of numbers it gets, and then we'll get working on this thing. Alright, start. Alright. Hopefully you can bring it back in one piece. Alright. That went pretty straight. I think it went pretty straight. Didn't get into it beyond half throttle, so see what that looks like. All right, stop, read 86. All right, pretty good, pretty good. I think try it one more time. That went pretty good. We'll do it one more time. All right, like that. Start.
How fast was that?
All right. All right, all good. Yeah, I think this thing's just spinning the tires the whole time, it sounded like. I'm glad to see the tires stayed together. Alright, let's see what that was. Come on. Pick it up. Stop. Read. 94. 94. Alright. Should I do it one more time? Yeah, we'll do it one more time. Sure. All clear. Yeah, a little squirrely on that run. Now, it does have the gyro on it, but it's turned all the way down pretty much. But I'm not sure if it went any faster on that run or not. It was kind of in here, kind of spinning, sliding a little bit. I'll work on that throttle control. Alright, stop. Read. 96. Alright. Alright, we'll leave it at that. I still gotta see the data logs on this thing, start messing with that. There's gonna be a lot of adjustments to make with this thing, alignment, other things. So got some work to do, but 96 first real time out, I'm pretty happy with that. Not sure what I can get out here at this spot. Might have to find another one, but yeah, we'll keep trying. But thanks for watching, guys, and there'll be a lot more with this one coming in the future.